because of you, lives have been saved.
My abuser kidnapped me, raped me, destroyed my phone, beat me, and even had me call my girls and tell them goodbye. I knew it was the end for me. I don't even know how I was able to get away, as most of that day was a complete blur.
It is my belief that the community does not truly understand the profound impact that domestic violence has here in Johnson County and on the thousands of families that reside here. Domestic violence impacts 1 in 3 individuals. So if you think about the people you know and you look around the room, to think that 1 in 3 people is experiencing this level of trauma and abuse is really unsettling. Of the 6 counties that Turning Point serves, Johnson County is currently our most lethal. The cases that we see are more complex than others, and the risk of violence is ever present. We see several cases of strangulation, use of firearms, threat of firearms, and unfortunately, more and more children are being caught in the middle of these situations.
I got connected to Turning Point Domestic Violence Services. Through my advocate at Turning Point, I was able to relocate my girls and myself. This agency is nothing short of life-saving. My new location is completely confidential and is a safe place for my girls and me. This has been the first time we have felt safe in years.
At Turning Point, we have the privilege of serving Johnson County residents in a number of ways. One is our emergency residential shelter. We provide thousands of shelter nights to Johnson County survivors and their children on an annual basis. We are available in our shelter 24/7, 365, same as our helpline, where we also receive thousands of calls annually from victims of violence. So the work at Turning Point is very hard. It is challenging and it's not always pretty, but we also experience a lot of success. And that's because of the partnerships we have here in the community and the friends and the donors and the people that are advocating for us. And some days are really happy. Some days protective orders are granted and survivors and kiddos are kept safe. Sometimes we're moving survivors into safe, permanent housing where they can be independent. And it's amazing. And it's those days that make it worthwhile. Turning Point could not do what we do without the Johnson County community, specifically United Way. The support that we receive annually from United Way of Johnson County is truly what keeps our doors open.